early light of dawn, a curious energy stirs in the air, hinting at the magical events about to unfold. Unbeknownst to Whiskers, the universe has granted him a gift beyond his wildest dreams, the ability to speak the language of all creatures. Whispers of disbelief and curiosity ripple through the assembled creatures as they await Whiskers' first words with bated breath. Hidden in the shadows, the envious squirrels hatch a plan to sabotage the harmony that Whiskers seeks to create. The animals revel in the newfound unity that blooms within Maplewood, a testament to the transformative power of empathy and acceptance.